Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Home Assistant to IKEA TRA with Ring Above DFRI Hub. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with the IKEA TRA with Ring Above DFRI Hub using Home Assistant, begin by ensuring you have the latest version of Home Assistant installed. Open your Home Assistant dashboard in a web browser. Navigate to the Configuration tab from the left sidebar. Select Integrations within the Configuration menu. In the Integrations page, click on the plus button in the bottom right corner to add a new integration. Look for the IKEA TRA with Ring Above DFRI integration in the list. Once you find it, click on it to initiate the setup process. You will be prompted to enter the security key from your IKEA TRA with Ring Above DFRI Hub. To find the security key, located on the TRA with Ring Above DFRI remote or in the TRA with Ring Above DFRI, enter the security key in the provided field on the Home Assistant setup screen. After inputting the key, click on the Submit button to proceed. Home Assistant will attempt to connect to the IKEA TRA with Ring Above DFRI Hub. If successful, you will see a message confirming the integration is complete. You can now access and control your IKEA TRA with Ring Above DFRI devices from the Home Assistant dashboard. To check if your devices show up correctly, navigate to the Overview tab. You should see all connected IKEA TRA with Ring Above DFRI devices listed and ready for use. If you encounter any issues, double-check the security key and ensure your TRA with Ring Above DFRI. Once everything is set up, enjoy the seamless integration of your IKEA TRA with Ring Above DFRI devices with Home Assistant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.